abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner in events planning and media management. So guys, we provide events management services, including stage hire, PA system, LED screens, you name it, for all types of events, be it corporate, social, family, church, konke guys, lobola. Siyakwazi bakhona abanye abalobolileyo kumbe abalobolayo, so you can get in touch with Deb3 Events for all those things. And also we've got studio and rehearsal space for laba abezemculo, abe entertainment. You can get in touch with us using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen. So this episode is powered by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic design services. If you need anything to do with graphic designing, get in touch with Okuhle Design using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen. Anyway, introduce. My name is Nondudu Zongcube, and today is another special episode where we have a very exciting young man. I think people that are watching this episode know this guy because he's been making a lot of noise, and he's unapologetically funny and entertaining. Guys, ngihamba lo young Steezy. I've watched this man mostly on Facebook, but ukhona even TikTok ukhona, and I think Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Instagram is there. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Ikonan, but I mostly watch him on Facebook. Ushap.
Yeah, sharp.
Sharp. Siyawamukela enkundleni. Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah.
But into engiyibonayo ukuthi uthe ufika lapha vele already ubuvela usukhuluma izibhichi kusho ukuthi vele wena vele look, it's your personality.
Yeah.
Fine.
Khona kunjalo into wangikhona. Uthi ngisuke ngidla amabhuti so
usukudla amabhuti. And you always carry amabhuti. What's with amabhuti?
amabhuti ngathini kind of like ngeke ngithi izimbaje, but I'm kind of addicted to those.
You are kind of addicted to amabhuti.
Ngachaya amabhuti so kube le energy engayisiyo ezofela ngani ufuna ukukhuluma kakhulu.
Imhlathi.
Kwemhlathi seziyajayela vele. Ufuvuswa ngamabhuti in the morning, then yasokelandela uporridge.
So
serious.
Ngela ngudla ama-packets amangaka amabhuti?
Minimum 3, maximum angikwazi because ngabona as long le coin yathi.
Minimum 3. Okay.
Especially lamazambane, yeah.
Okay. So now let's talk about you. I think I've seen you ku video ule school uniform. You're going to school?
That's fine. Isikolo sengaqeda. Sengaqeda then, but sengaqeda awe secondary. I was doing Form 6, but now somebody is university.
What are you looking forward to doing university?
Economics.
Okay. So amaskits onke la uboyenza ngapho sesikolo?
Yeah, bekunjani.
And how are you managing?
Ngakhangela kahle.
Balancing the school in the
Amaskits ngiwayenza ngisasesikoleni. Usually bengiwayenza ebusuku. After sengivele esikolo ngihamba ama extra ngabala, then around 7 laphana fika isikhathi soku break. Aseni sesingena khona ku TikTok, Facebook, sithi ubomani. But during the day sesipusha amabhuku.
Okay. That's being focused. That's being focused. So any other thing that you do besides iskolo lama skits?
Oh, okay. Besides iskolo lamabhuku, uSteezy remember ehlala endlini izivalela. I love reading. So timing lo ubala nje ngama novel and izitori zamanga. Yeah, and assistant kamdala at home leso information yakho ngikhuluma but anyways. So lo ncedisa umdala here and there umanage amabhizinesi akhe.
Okay. So already really you're gaining experience already. Guys.
Yeah.
And then indaba yamaskits leyi, did you ever think ukuthi you go this far?
Yeah, angeke ngithi 100%. I wasn't sure about it because into yamaskita it was just ngathini ngale boys yamani intambama laphana like since ama-results ephumile nje asike sithi ukudisa abantu abafilileyo. It was last year on February. Fine. Saphambe ushoot ama-video lami ngamshoota wakhe lami ngashoota wamani safika sapost. Then a few hours later sengi-check-a ngibona ivideo yakhwela ama-views sekuko-10,000. I was like,
Wow.
what the hell?
Wow.
Okay, fine. Checking my video boys yami hayi kwabo 100 views. So ikhaya khona okay fine into lengane yaphambili. Then I was like kusasa nje kashoota amanye phela. Ngashoota amanye following day ngibona ama-video ya trend. Athi currently what's going on? Asa account yami because ngaboosta ama-post lana but I trend. Ngithi sengifika esikole vele amajita sengothi amfana mina sokubona utrend and I love that thing ukuthi sokubona utrend.
Yeah.
Into yakhona sichaza bini. Ngoba le 1 week ngitshina ama-skills day lan. That's when esikole ngaqala ke uba popular. Ukuhamba ucorridor umuntu uyafuna ukuthiwa ukusabonisile.
Okay.
Hayi. La amajita vele sengafuna uba close besties. So that's when I saw ukuthi into le yani ngani
You saw ukuthi you are going somewhere.
I'm going somewhere. My followers like, hello, Kwela, get in town. People be like, young Steezy, can I take a picture?
All right. And then if he's a young Steezy.
Oh, a boy is alright. La pasenza vuliga. Okay. So what happened about reason? I did and start pushing to some joro. And so I decided that I saw them coming with like I says banana plate.
Would you play it?
So why playing my deals and con? On which I have a Instagram account. So very man get Instagram and on get a mabiza mang. I like so people when I need people and I live far I live is sweet because I can't log in using my real name. Oh baby, what about young Steezy? Young Rizzy. Ngicala ngifaka young Rizzy then ngangana lifeel because babaningi reason ku Instagram. Then I changed kwaba young Steezy. So ibizo leli ngaliphiwa nguChera mi ex.
Oh my god. That's exciting.
Young Steezy soon.
So this girl left a legacy phela. Usislow siyambonga lo. Was it built a brand? Young Steezy is a brand, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a brand.
And then if video lama views amaningi, like what's your highest number of views or so achieve?
Oh, that's fun. Asakwazi but wonke ama-videos ami come eprison ngayela ama-views amaningi.
Gift Panda.
Ezekhami yizo vele zishaya ama-views okuhlala.
You know, we've talked about that Gift Panda video with my co-host Leslie. And I was asking him the other day, but he didn't have answers. Now that you are here, right? There is a popular Gift Panda that we know. And the TTI boss. Gift Panda.
Yeah.
So umbuzo wami wawuthi ibizo leli, does it have anything to do with Mr. TTI or what?
Not really. Was lengakhangela mina mangenza ama-videos ami vele ngiya-freestyle. So any name elibuyile. So that day ngenza my first video about coming prison. I was like, ibizo lami uGifty Panda. I don't know what
that was coincidence. It was coincidence.
Because by that time I was about this Gifty Panda. So kuyibizo semsiza manje sithi mfana yamazi ugift comment section. I like ugift. Okay fine. Tune second video ngathi ibizo lami nguSamson ngathi nguSamson bani? Samson Dliwayo. And the video, yeah, yaba lama views, but not that much. Comment section, people were like, Jackie Pindu gifty band. Ngachuning about gifty band, a video trend. Up until I searched by my new TikTok, yes, yati gifty band and Blawayo. Like, oh, okay, fine. Let me see what you gifty band alliance and. I said to her like, there's a man who on gifty band, but like,
Yeah,
it's just a coincidence. So
It's just coincidence.
so I can't stop using gifty band just because there's another gifty band.
Yeah,
And besides that, I'll get out of running. Because I have this other brother of mine, like, trying to gift. So Valentine, sas.
Okay.
So yeah, that's
So guys, the gift banda skit is just coincidence.
what I coin because really I'm a bit on 7
Any similarities are purely coincidental. It's just coincidence. Okay. That's nice. So have you started earning money? Monetizing your content and stuff.
Yes, yeah. I'm earning money, but not that much.
On Facebook or what?
On TikTok. On Facebook, my account haven't monetized, but I earn money through adverts.
Okay. And you've got Bulawayo brands coming to advertise with you.
Yeah. I'm a princess. I wear civil.
And you're smiling. How should you keep?
Ziyakhipha zona avunkamba manga. I'm a prince. I wear civil.
Kusho ukuthi ziyabuya sibi.
Yo sinika imali yedatha le udlalisa.
Okay. Wow, that's quite nice. Leslie is carrying a mic.
Yeah, I'm carrying a mic. I'm just curious. Let's just want to know, Uti, where is it coming from? Is it coming from an art perspective? Is it something that you just do for fun? Ugutuzuwe, content creator, where is it coming from? Did you just wake up, like you said, I saw an article where you said you just shot a short video and the next thing it had so many views and you decided to go on and on. So was art originally in you, kumbe yinto nje yapho mbuku popper in?
Oh, okay. Mina lingakhayela kahle. Mina vele nginembe iswi. Into zohlanya lezi ngathi kwakuphuma ba coincidence one day that's when I saw ukuthi ngahlanya daily lakho kuyiswi futhi. Because obvious and I'm funny but not always. But ever since I started into zamaskit, then chose which fine, let me just be that young Steez wabantwana. Steez woman. But khona naturally vele ngimembe iswi. Ngihlanya nje kuphela mase ndla amaputi ngalethi camera. That's when I started into zokudomoka.
Okay. And then because abantu ababukele lapha, there are other people who are content creators and others who want to be content creators.
Okay.
So when from your own personal experience, what is the hardest part about being a content creator?
Okay. Into engathi nzima uba yi-content creator. I don't know but awula into enzima lapha because mina all I do is ama-ideas abe yodwa ekhanda. Ma ngi-free for that time ngizaletha icamera yami ngishute but ma ngikho free just shoot them down ngibhala phansi kwi-notebook lami. Then ngathola isikhathi ngiyayi-develop the idea. Okay, ngifakele izidindi ngifakele ama-sus then ngathola isikhathi de ngi-free that's when I start.
Okay.
But into enzima ngi-content uqalise ongazithembi ukuthi because yabona ngani ujumile ngajuna first video trend ethi angijumile mana phinde ngi-trend phinde ngi-3 trend. That's it. So ama-content creators ama-GTF ama-content creator waloko bademotive because achuna ivideo wathi uzothiwa 10 views uchune enye futhi uzothiwa 1 view mana channel lapha but that's not it. Timing maybe uyawuposte nge-wrong time because lesikhathi sokuposta uyaposta abantu besemsebenzini uzawubukela wethu ivideo yakho but la ungathemela abantu sebeshayisile laphana
Abantu sebe-free sebe-online.
into ezinjani.
Okay.
But kula into enzima nge-content.
So usisi lo oka nikazi webizo umasinika i-brand elithi Young Steezy. You said it's an ex, isn't it?
Yeah, dala kwacha.
Khathesi are you single?
Yeah.
Siyenzela ababukeleyo laphana abangabe befisa ukuthi
Uthi bangathola isikhathi. Okay, about Steezy. I mean I'm single and I'm okay because I'm too busy for into zomjwayela. I feel like it's stint.
At your age,
Yeah.
you're too busy.
Yeah, I'm too busy really. Ischedule sami lesikhathi sokujwayela kulo.
Akula vele. Ah.
Because angifuni ngigama amanga sesingayenza into ezenzakale bari. I
No,
just feel like into zomjwayelo isitindi because vele isikhathi sangikhona sokutshona siqabelana manga. Come on.
isikhathi sangikhona isesingekhoyo. And how is your family handling? Because wena famous phela. How is your family handling the fame?
Yeah, ngathini? Hayi endlini sibone wayenza njani? Yaba angathi angeke ngithi bayaku-celebrate and stuff. Masele phuma ukuthi hayi into zokuhlanya lezi zenzayo. Then umdala ephuma ukuhleka kuphela because impintshi zakhe eziningi ama-fans.
Ekhaya they watch your videos.
Yeah, they do. Abonke vela kulo ngasofeni. But abaphuma ukuthi hayi into zakho zokuhlanya. But ngiqalise vela esithi chiyana lapho because ama-skills lawa nayikhama eprison zalayithi icamera ngangiyi-one endlini then ngiqala ukukhuluma ngedwa they be like mfana wena sohlanya wena ubhizi khonapho.
Okay, when you're shooting.
But
alright.
now seyoku-understanda aphuma ukuthi hayi into zakhe lezo lo ngifuna usebenzisa i-sitting room yabutho ukuthi masala lapha kule skit ngifuna usipheka so njani angakeliya emaromini lingitshela i-sitting room ngizalibiza ngaqeda because ngingafuni umsindo now they understand but ngiqalisa yabutho ukuthi udakiwe.
No,
Khona
okay.
nisi- yeah,
Well,
wayengazi
okay,
nje.
lo.
But now they understand it because ngani sole cash part.
Okay. Okay, now talking about cash, and you mentioned the issue of brands working with you and stuff. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi nxa when you're working with brands and corporates, nxa bebuya kuwe, do they like do you have a team that you work with or it's a one man thing? And bona nxa bebuya kuwe babuya bekubhalela ama-script or telling you their expectations or they tell you what they want and then wena usubona ukuthi udevelopha njani into yakho?
Oh, okay. So ama-brands mayobuya kimi bazaphuma ukuthi sile company yethu sithengisa isinkwa sethu silama-advantages A, B, C and then futhi market yethu sile promotion enje ungathenga 1 you get 2 for free we're located at ABC. Then ama-script amina ngiyazibhalela avele ngantshela into yokwenza angisoze ngikwanisa ukuyiproducer the way ufuna ngayo but wena ungantshela nje ukuthi ngifuna umarket into enje then sengihlala-ke lami le ngqondo zami fine sengibona okay so ibrand leli ngala-marketha njani ABC sembhala iscript sami phansi my script sizafuna ukuthi ngi-acte labomama labogogo labokhulu awudinga those ogogo labokhulu because already angeke ngithi ngile team I got my friends engenza lawo into zama-skits right yeah then lo cameraman that's it sengifika-ke laphana I do my thing umsebenzi ohambe.
Okay and ama-brands akho bulawayo do they pay kumbe ama-issue ukuthi uyabusulandelela ama-invoices and stuff?
That's why what I do uyambhadala before I do my videos so that I can cover some cost and so like I transport land so yeah wahle uhlala umbhadalile then I come but angisoze ngibuye ngikade in-drive
You
sengifika
pay for what?
songitshela ukuthi kuthiwa ABC so I don't do those deals. You pay me first I do my work that's it so mina kimi so far bayabhadala ama-brands zonke ama-brands engiwasebenzeleyo hayi wabhadala kahle angifuni ngigqama amanga.
So guys nilebona ukuthi we always talk about ama-brands khona lapha we always talk about ama-artists working with brands and we've had a lot of artists besithi khona ama-brands akho bulawayo they are not supportive and stuff like that. Nangu uyangstiz he's saying ama-brands ayabuya sibili and ama-brands ayabhadala.
Yeah, mina I agree abuya. I agree futhi abhadala. But I will also go on to say, are they paying exactly what they should be paying? Because we are talking about 51K on TikTok and 50K on Facebook, 11K on Instagram and amanye platforms. And so are they getting exactly what they should be getting, or do we have like a regulated figure to say this is what brands should be paying, or we're just appreciating the legal that is coming?
On that one, mina kunje so oka-2 I charge according to brand le enkulu ongakanani. But I won't charge uchickenini abantu bemkotweni the same price. And okunye kuyadependa ukuthi ngilande ngesikhathi esinjani. Ungafika lami le mali eningi busy ngiyakutshela ukuthi imali yakho le idakiwe ezenzele yethu. But ungabuya lami ngo-crisis ukuthi lapha yayilahla. Yeah, that's when I'll say later right clear ngikhona.
Yeah. So that's my point exactly, no, and ukuthi we don't have regulated figures.
Yeah.
The standard
It's
one.
just freestyle. If you go to Young Steezy, ule praise yake. If you go to the next content creator, ule praise yake. If you go to the next content creator, and ule praise yake, which then makes it difficult because maybe Young Steezy has knowledge ukuthi we should be charging this for such work, and then basabe buya kimi mina, and I charge half or even less than half of that. So maybe Young Steezy, because it's part of my content creators, and I've seen you guys collaborating and what that. I've seen some of your skits. Libaneng sibile niggas when put dramatic miss, lang and demand, Carlos and so on, like Libaneng. And so do you have like maybe an association or something where you talk about your content? You talk about regulations, you talk about what to do and what not to do, because we have seen some of our content creators going outside the box and wondering, we are fundiswa what should you do, because we are the consumers. And so do you have like platforms as content creators where you sit down and say, this is what we should be doing, or it's just a hobby ngapha koBulawayo?
On that one, angeke ngithi hobby, angeke ngithi we got ama platforms, because there's a group sibilela ama content creators but awambona abantu beparticipate kangaka loba lami vele anzaye ngivule but ngiyakwazi ukuthi khona. But yeah, sometimes we discuss ukuthi okay, so now our pricing sesiqalela imali engaka and stuff, but we don't have. The day we had a conversation yangikhona asanye sabuya conclusion ukuthi so ucharge imali engaka. Umuntu le price yakhe ngamlande ejombi echarger ngamlande le mali yakecharger. So
I think also it has to do with the brand.
yeah.
Because angeke umuntu oqalisayo anti osakiliza I charge the same price lo muntu osehlalile osele experience and
Yes,
osele
that's what I'm saying
quality.
with regulations
So
now. And
I think it in
because
terms of price,
if there is no proper red card to say umuntu oku 50k ku Facebook or 50k ku TikTok or 11k ku Instagram is charging this, and then umuntu oku whatever is charging this, if there are no red cards to determine ukuthi wena usula, for example kithi Tino MC karesi mina ongambuza ukuthi incharge malini for your wedding, and I will tell you, and if you call the next MC will tell you almost the same price.
ngaye ngaposti rate card lami ku social media hey ngadiscusswa le ma groupini
Vele khona konje.
Also very good.
kodwa uzenza ubani.
Also
But I
very
didn't
good.
change my prices. I didn't change my prices. So njabona ukuthi sometimes and it's also about the artists themselves. Mina ngibona kwami it's also about the artists themselves ukuthi it also comes issue of confidence also comes in. Are you confident about your brand? Kulomunye umuntu ozikhangelayo azikhangelele phansi. But enye impact emangalisayo. So umuntu lwana ozikhangelela phansi ele impact has another problem of undercharging. Because you think you are small and yet you are quite big. And sometimes silalo khana ukuthi people allow abantu to undermine them. Kulabantu abahlakaniphile ukuthi nxa efuna ukuthi ezoceli ezo lokhu ziservice and aqala ukukhuluma ezinye izinto ezokuthi uyabusuzibona ngani uyadura ungamcharge. Yakwazi ahla khulume ngendlela leni yokuthi wena imali aduvela usuyicabangile ukuthi this is the invoice that I'm going to give him man. Yena ahla vela ahla kuchaya account ukuthi usuzathi nxa kade ufuna ukucharge $9 and usuzagcina usithi ha bisa 5.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Then I think ngingadlulisa isikhathi. I just also want to find out from young Steers ukuthi I saw you raised the issue of ama teams and we now have ama-cyber laws that are being passed, and I think you guys are almost close to being affected because it has to do with the social media and so on, aren't you?
Yeah.
So, do you have like maybe legal teams that assist you guys? Do you have lilabo yini abantu ukuthi you consult ukuthi nxa kungabanje, so what do I do? Or magungabanje, so what do I do? Because we have seen scenarios, thank God akafika kakhulu ngapha koBulawayo. It's mainly Harare, Usbani, Usbani, then Usbani sesiye court, or you're just shooting your content and just uzikholisela, then umnikazi weshop oshutele phambi kwayo sesithi asengubophisa because ukhulume kubi ngeshop yami watayila drainage system. So do you have like people that assist you and comment on your content ukuthi lapha we feel like you're going wrong way legally, or lapha we feel like your content is going to cost you monetary? Do you have people like that, or it's just freelance?
Abantu abanjalo bakhona batholakala comment section. Ayokhuluma wawo okuya le. Yeah, sometimes awonye uyakhuluma kuyakushapa okunye. Yeah, abantu abanjalo bakhona. But mina on my side, yeah, la le lawyer. Lo uthi vele ungabheda ngiyaconsulta lo. Ngiyawazi ukuthi so safe.
Okay.
So lo achini skill sami, maybe for instance, mina because ngiyawazi everything, right? Maybe design company ingaze ngananzelela, then say uyayenhlupha. I got someone to handle that for me.
Okay. I think that's a good that's a good one. Ukuhlakanipha in because also you also have to protect yourself in generally. So the last thing emfuna ukuthi usitshele yona nti because now when I'm still experience man.
Nah, not that much. 1 year city experience.
Bakhona yini ababuya kuwe with that 1 year experience ababuya kuwe bethi lathi sifuna ukwenza ama skits sicela usincedise, and are you available to help them?
Yeah, baningi ababuyayo and abanye ngasebenza la basebenzi. But angisebenzi la wonke because mostly ngathini mana abafakene bedway yani. But usually I prefer amankazana. Iyo njalo wancedisa content.
Any particular reason for that?
I feel like udlala amajita lakho. Khanya sengi.
Puti la matches.
Amajinsi alezingodo zokuthi wenza uthi uzakhuluma idea yakho nje lesi isidinde uzasala usithi hayi ngisithi izincanya kakhulu, but at least correction ka these ideas nilala okay, at least developer so idea
anje bona vele suhle wawufaka ukuthi kumembe uyathi lesi isidindi, but kusisi you give
so ndaba yangikhona. But yeah, abake babuya abaningi ngapha ufuna uncedisa uyancedisa, and yeah ngabona ukuthi ngana ukho serious ngiyakubhadalisa so that I don't waste my time. Lokho ngicorrecta ngala. But yeah, abakhona embancedisayo sithi mawufuna ukutshuna content ABC utshuna so drafter so iskit, then mawufuna trend include this improve your quality camera yakho.
Okay.
Into ezinjani.
Okay.
Then kule content creator that I saw from your former school, Ofanalo William. Have you ever seen him?
No.
Are you?
Yeah, that's William man. Ngomunye la wawo uyafuna uncedisa content and now he is doing well.
Yeah.
Sekwenza la which ni yedwa because while umele uthi Steezy checking sifuna actor phela mbuyeni. Then ngamfundisa okay fine content yakhe nje so wena tuna ABC. Now anisekwazi uzitshina content yedwa esikole because
And he's doing great actually.
And he's doing great and yeah trained as well. Abantu bakam recognize.
Yeah, but he's
But I
great.
name month time ayesechisela.
Okay.
Ayesechisela because
Yeah.
So Mina, what I'm glad about this entire thing is that this started as a way of having fun, way of spending time, but now it's something that is being monetized. It's something that is beneficial to you, and I'm also happy about the fact ukuthi wena uyakwanisa ukuthi uncedise abanye that want to be content creators and stuff. You are not being selfish about the
as long
entire
as
thing.
serious.
Yeah, and even bona laba obancedisa ubabhadalisa, I think it's a good thing ukuthi umuntu can get assistance from you because you have done it, you have been in it, and you have learned something. You've learned a lot from it. Okay. So now we are about to close the episode.
Yeah.
Anything that you want to say? Any last words?
Ama last words ngizocela labana athi bangahlala la methi town bengithi yes TikTok. Mina so TikTok, mina twa
Youngsters.
Oh, uyakwanisa ukuthi gift banda because
Gift band.
Yes, TikTok.
Abantu badelela.
and lala uyazi into lengane yaqina kulabantu abadala ukuthi bangahlangana la umuntu uzawuqalisa ukusikonke ikhanda ethi umfana lokhu kusidlayisela idatha lokho Tela akula sidingo sokumbamba nzima nje afa mfana ncomelele ngiyakufollowa mfana umsebenzi omuhle kuyabongeka mdala akho umuntu undonsa ngebruko kufanele sithathile idatha asawanisane kahle wadala wami I really appreciate
Imbeko.
Mawuyaqala ukungichaya mina yasawazi ukuthi Lexi how are you but ayabongeka support ngithanda ukuba ngama followers abangisupportayo. Yeah, I really appreciate your support kakhulu sibili. Yeah, bonga lani mama Ncube.
Okay, you know what? There you have it, guys, from Youngsters. Youngsters will tell Imbeko by it. Imbeko lenhlonipho. Is appreciating his support, but let's support respectfully, Phela, please.
Yeah, kuphela.
Indaba yokumqoqoda lokumdosa amabhrugwe ayihlime khona lapho. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Nonduduzo Ncube. Please do follow Enkundleni Exclusive across all social media platforms. Subscribe, like, share, and also we appreciate our viewers when look be commenter and be share the podcast here, so be share link. Thank you so much for being with us, and please do continue supporting, do continue commenting khona lapho. Siyabona ama comments, amanye siya respond, amanye siya like, siyabe sizama ukutshengisa ukuthi hayi siyalibonga kakhulu and siyali appreciate. Enkundleni Exclusive sponsored by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic design services. And please do come Car Wash. Izimota zizogeza Royal Shine Car Wash along 4th Street between Connaught and Masocha Avenue. Izingwalo by yours truly Nonduduzo Ncube. Umhlaba ungihlanekele buchitheka bugayiwe isihlalo sikababa zikhona at just $10. Thank you so much for tuning in. Salibona futhi kuviki elizayo.
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndabe sekudwini